I'm Noah Kistner. I'm in 11th grade, and I took the College Intro to Criminal Justice class. It was pretty fun, especially with Officer Munson teaching it.
Hi, I'm Lily Bierman. I'm in 12th grade at Redwood Valley High School, and I took the exploratory program to do hands-on law enforcement training, and I'm currently in the college intro class to get more into the college law enforcement.
My name is Emerson McCorkadale, and I am a senior at Redwood Valley High School, and I am taking the College Intro to Criminal Justice class.
My name is Ashton Stevens, and I'm in 11th grade, and I took the College Intro to Criminal Justice.
I learned more about law. I also learned more about what police officers do, learned more about the court system.
I took this class because I'm interested in law enforcement. I have family members in law enforcement, so I've been around it almost my whole life.
After every week our assignments, and it's interesting to me, but throughout the class I kind of just realized that it's not a career for me, and that's just personal preference.
I learned how dangerous situations can be, how fast they can escalate. I learned different tactics and what works well, what doesn't, what you should hide behind, what you shouldn't, and how you should react to different situations.
This class helped me understand that I do want to enter the law enforcement career side of things and just be a help to our community.
The cop class, I'd say from hands-on learning, it gave me more of a hands-on experience, which, I mean, that's how it's going to be in the real world. So now I know what I'm dealing with, which once I get to college and I get out of there, now I know how it's going to be. So I knew whether or not I was going to become a cop, and I'd say that helped me become a cop.
I learned that I definitely do belong in the law enforcement area. I do feel like it helped me understand who I am and how to react in certain situations. I feel like it was a good experience, and I definitely do like the program.